is up, beautiful? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Uzosha Allah, if you didn't fucking know. So today we are going to be doing a Amazon haul. So pretty much it's a Amazon beauty haul, you guys. So I got a few things from Amazon and I'm going to be showing you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. So yes, girl, I've already went ahead and lit my J. So right now, I have an incense and everything going, so I am in the mood. Let's put this right here so you guys can see. Also, be careful with flames, please. So just to show to you guys, we have this big box right here. I already sprayed them down, and these two packages right here. Okay. So the first thing that we have, you guys, is let's open this big box because I'm super excited to see what's in the box. I forgot my scissors right now, so let's see what's in the box. Oh yeah, girl, what I'm going to be doing, I have like several items here. I'm going to just show you guys the items and then I'm going to list them down below so you go ahead and like dissect that by yourself. I'm not going to put, well, I might put this screenshot and everything right here if I'm not feeling too lazy. But yeah, girl. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Ooh. You guys know when you order stuff and then you forget that that's what you ordered and it comes and you're like, ooh, like almost surprised. Excuse me. So yeah, girl, the first thing that we have here is that I ordered are some mixed color mats. So this is what we have. These are some beautiful press-on nails, girl. Look. Ooh, I was really impressed with these colors. Let me show you guys. They have like green, neutrals. Ooh, there's a like a pinky mauvey nude there, and they all look matte. So yeah, guys, I was impressed with this, and then I saw this one. So yeah, girl, do you guys see the colors on these? Oh my goodness, I am so super impressed. Like, let me look at the first set. And they're so nicely packaged. This little compartmentalized, plastic container, you can keep them just like this. Ooh, this green is so dope. Let me show you guys the nails. These are what they look like. They're matte, okay, and they're like the perfect little coffin shape. Oh my gosh, they are so cute. Yo. That's what they look like, you guys. You guys know you have to excuse my nails because I said I just popped them off. So there's this green one. There's some blue in here. Yeah, girl, there's this dusty rose color. And there's this beautiful dark brown color. You know what you could do with these? And then there's like this matte peachy nude color. And then there's matte black. Wait, is this black or the dark brown? I think that's the dark brown. But yeah, the dark brown is super nice too because it's that nice deep chocolate brown. So I'm so excited. Like, these look so good. And this is substantiality of them. They seem very durable. Like, they don't seem like the ones that bend super easy, like the super duper cheapy ones. These are like some pretty nice press-ons. And I will, link them below for you guys. And then let's look at the next color scheme here in the second container. So these ones you have a nude, a true nude color. I hope it's picking up on camera. camera, otherwise I will take like a shot and show you guys. This is like a, I would say a brownish red. You guys know that color? There's this color here, which is really beautiful as well. A deep rose color. Ooh. And then there's my personal favorite in this box, the baby pink, like that, okay. And then I'm not sure if I showed you guys, but the dusty rose and then nude are so nice. Look at the nude ones. Like, these are so nice. This is like true nude. Ooh, I can't wait to use these. I cannot wait. So yes, girl. So moving right along, those nails are actually really impressive. I was hoping that they were not like the flimsy ones, you know. So yeah, they're really nice. So the next thing that I have, we're gonna go ahead and open this. I don't have my wig head right here, so we're just gonna look at it, okay? So this is from Marisi Hair. That's a pretty logo thing. So this has a really nice Ziploc bag. So it says short black. Yeah, girl, it says short black 11-inch. Oh, it's so fucking cute. Oh my god. So first of all, this bag is really reusable, which is nice. You can like store your wig in here, you know. Then, ooh, girl. They gave you, what is this? A tattoo. Hello. We need these. Alright. So they give you a really nice cap, like a really real stocking cap. Like, even if I don't use it for this, I could use it for like a real thing. But anyways, yeah, nice, thank you. A net to keep over the hair. Now let me show you guys. This is just a little bob. Okay? Let me show you guys. This is just a little bob. I'm really impressed with this unit, okay? So you have this scalp piece at the top, which, you know, you can blend with a little, like, whatever you prefer. Foundation, concealer. I personally prefer powder, but, you know. And then these little bangs are so freaking cute. Oh my gosh. They're, like, perfectly cut. And then this has a comb in the nape area. Actually, no comb in the nape area, which is kind of nice. But 2 combs on the side to just give you some security. And it's a breathable mesh, you know, wig cap. I think it's really nice, you guys. I can't wait to like rock this. So yeah, girl. I'm so excited for this fucking haul. You guys don't even know I love receiving like packages. If you guys want to send me anything, feel free. Any good energy thing, you know. So watch this here now. Guys, we're gonna open the next one, but let me light my joint super quick first. I can't wait to try the fucking, ooh, another tattoo. Que muñequito. And then the little cute stickers. So that's so cute. You guys know? So yeah, girl, I'm still trying to get like some right angles and like background and stuff for you guys. Today I thought I would just sit at my little desk where I have my pink that match my shirt. I thought it was super cute. So if you guys notice my fucking pink vibe today, say something, okay? So the next thing that we have, you guys, is this other pack of nails, which I have been waiting for, okay? I want to see the quality of these nails. Yeah, girl, I want to see if these nails are high quality and, you know, what type of process they're used with. So this is the packaging. It just says 120-piece Anorni Extra L Art at Home 12 size. Okay, so these are them. This is the packaging they come in. Okay, so this is, ooh, these are nice. So I want to create like that. I just want to do like some really clear tips and you know, do like some nail art and stuff like that. So yeah, I just wanted to do some designs and stuff like that, so I thought I would do like a really long nail. This is actually the perfect freaking length for me. Like they're like extra long, but not like 3XL. Like who the fuck needs that in everyday life? Bitch, I gotta clean my house. You know what I mean? So these are like the perfect length for me. They feel really durable. They're not bendable at all. And I have some other accessories. I cannot wait to try them out, you guys. Like, look how freaking cute. You know, just like the clear vibe, like very neutral, you know what I mean? So yeah, they come in like 12 different sizes, and I can't wait to do my nails with them. I'm not sure what style of nails I'm gonna do, but you guys, oh my gosh, you guys stay tuned. So girls, the next thing that we have is this thing right here. This thing right here is an LED light. It says LED UV nail lamp. Okay, you're not gonna believe this one. I got it for a really great price. So it is this pink LED lamp, and it comes like this. Let's look at it. First time opening it with you guys. So this is how cute. Okay, very nifty and well packaged. This is the box. So, and this is the lamp, which is protected by this little plastic, and it comes like that. Oh, how cute. And it's pink, you guys. I cannot wait to use it. That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Okay. So, you know, the little buttons, they work and everything. I haven't tested it out as yet, but, you know, hopefully for the price that I paid, it seems pretty sturdy and everything. Actually, a little bit more substantial than I thought, to be honest with you. But I'm going to set it right over here. So, yeah, girls. So, we opened those few things already, which I'm really happy of everything. And then, yeah, tell me how you guys are feeling. If you guys have reached to this point in the video, leave me a little hibiscus emoji. It is my native flower, so it's one of my favorite flowers. So yeah,